All right, you guys, so it's pouring outside. We finally made it to the cabin. We got the cars outside, and we're here. You ready, Harper? Let's show them. Let's start with the living room over here. Knock that out.
Here's my mom.
Say hi. Christmas tree. Got the nice little fireplace going. Okay. There's the kitchen. Hi, Britt. No smoking or vaping, okay? Okay. Here's the game room. We probably...
Kenton's game area.
There's my game area. The alcohol hasn't been loaded yet, but the bar is where I'm at. Yeah. Look, we got the old school arcade right here. We got Street Fighter, Sonic, Mario. All right, downstairs. Big Bear Mountain. Woo. Oh, they got like 2 nice little bunk beds over here. Snowboard and a bunk bed over here. That's pretty cool. Brrr. Ta-da! The movie theater.
So we're gonna watch Home Alone, Grinch, and...
Yep, we got Home Alone 1, Home Alone 2, The Grinch,
Santa Claus, I think.
and Santa Claus. You ready to watch a movie, Harper? Movie you. Okay, we're gonna movie me.
And then I'm gonna get a massage.
And then they have a massage room. And they have an infrared sauna. You can call the masseuse and they come book your appointment and come. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
Okay, we'll see you guys upstairs, okay? She loves her daddy. She calls him Danny. Danny. Danny, get the tour of the bedrooms. Come on, Danny.
Let's go. Alright, now we go upstairs.
Look, it's like wilderness. Ooh, deer.
Number 1.
Okay.
Okay.
I think my mom said she would take this room.
Okay. Here's bedroom number 2.
My mom said this one should be ours because it has the extra bed for Emmy and the baby.
Yes, baby. Okay.
Dun dun da da, and the rest. Cliff's Edge.
Here's another one.
What is it called? Lake room?
Tucked away room.
It's a little room, but it's cute. It'll get the job done. And this bed, actually, show him how the bed goes. If he can do it with the baby. Let's see. Ready? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a bed, but it looks like a dresser. So that's the tour, guys. We will catch up with y'all in a minute. Bye.